Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you my favorite recipe of ceviche or kinilaw. So every time I come home in the Philippines, kinilaw is one of my comfort food, and I don't have this type of food often here in Ireland. Although we have the ingredients available here, but eating it at home, it's not the same feeling. So let's do the mixing. The main ingredients is just a ginger, tomato, and onions in a vinegar. And I added some sugar in it just to balance the acidity. And while I'm mixing my vinegar and the ingredients, I set aside my fish. I soak them with the vinegar as well just to remove the fishy taste in it, and mix them all in one go in one bowl. And I've added this special ingredients called it tabon tabon. It's really rare, and I don't know if they have that somewhere else because I haven't seen them as well in Manila. I strain them just to get the flavor from the tabon tabon and just mix them all together in the bowl. And that's it. That's all I needed for my kinilaw.